Sound and hearing are very important to me. I've loved music. I've been a violinist since a very young age. When I was younger, I had a lot of ear issues. So some of the first doctors I saw were ear doctors, and they really helped me and helped change my life. Hi, my name is Alexander Chern. I'm an otologist, neurotologist, and skull-based surgeon here at Penn Medicine. I help take care of disorders of the ear, balance disorders, and other skull-based disorders. I see a wide, diverse group of individuals. Some of the things I help take care of are people with chronic middle ear disease, individuals who have hearing loss so severe that they don't benefit from hearing aids anymore. They may need a device called a cochlear implant. A tympanic membrane or eardrum perforations are also something that I help with as well. I like patients to know that I'm very thorough, I'm very caring, and I try to take a personalized approach to medicine. I want to make sure to take them through their journey from their diagnosis to their treatment and even after their treatment. I feel very grateful being a part of such a great department. There's a lot of individuals that are at the cutting edge of their subspecialty. There's a lot of opportunities for multidisciplinary team-based surgery as well as research collaborations. Everyone is always very excited to work with each other, so that's what's made it such a great place to work. I think my department of Otorhinolaryngology-Head neck surgery at Penn Medicine is differentiated from all the other departments across the country in that we are the leaders and also at the cutting edge of clinical care and research. One thing that I really love about music and surgery is that when you're a musician, you're really working at a craft and getting better and really honing it. I think that's something very similar to the art of surgery. You really are trying to master something and essentially create a performance. And your performance is to show up every day, be there for your patients, and do a good job. So I really love that aspect about it. You know, it's certainly a lifelong journey, but something that I find very rewarding. I'm really blessed to be able to wake up every day and help people hear again.